Welcome everybody back to the Maybe Observatory here at Bethel College. My name is Cade MacArthur, and today I'll be talking to you about what's up in the sky for February and when we will be hosting our new open house event in the very near future.
February overall will be very similar to January in terms of planets. Mercury, Venus, and Mars are all near the Sun due to the position of their orbits compared to us. This makes them pretty hard to see, especially if you don't like waking up early. Venus is still quite visible starting just before sunrise until around 7:30 when the Sun fully comes up. On February 7th, if you get up early enough, Venus and the Moon will be very close to each other in the sky. Similar to last month with Jupiter, these occurrences are called conjunctions and are pretty interesting to observe in the sky. And later in the month, on February 22nd, very early in the morning, you will also see a conjunction between Venus and Mars. This will be one of the closest conjunctions we will see the entire year, but the light from the Sun drowning out Mars will make it tough to observe. Mars will continue to be near the Sun for a while until we get closer to some of the summer months due to our orbits. Jupiter will continue to be the star of our show throughout February as it will continue to sit directly overhead in our night sky, being brighter than every other object in the sky. Viewing night sky objects will be quite optimal for this month, especially since the Moon is out during the day for the beginning of February. Here are the moon phases for the month of February. Recently, for our astronomy class, we began imaging the Rosette Nebula. Here is an unprocessed image through our hydrogen alpha filter. This filter blocks out other bands of light except those emitted by hydrogen. We can already see a lot of nebula clouds in this 300-second exposure. If you would like to come up to see our image taking process and sit in to learn about some of our processes to complete a final image, take a look at some of our equipment we use, and take a look at some of the planets and other objects with one of our smaller telescopes, we will be hosting a new open house event in the very near future. Attached to this email that this video came in or in the description of this video will be the time and date of our open house event.
But that will conclude our time here today in the observatory. Be sure to be on the lookout for that open house event date and time. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time.